May 8th, 2008. I am now in the Austrian town of Hallstatt, in the little church downtown actually, which is quite unusual by Austrian standards because there's no Baroque decorations. It's actually a very simple church with a very ornate wooden ceiling and an interesting altar with modern stained glass in the background. Look at the chandelier here. And where's the organ? Ah, I knew the organ would be on this side. So I'm just heading back out of this little church. Oh, there's local dignitaries, I guess, important local people. I, of course, would not know any of them. Most of them, I guess, are priests. And let me give you another. See, that's the church I just went up on. That has the stone depository. And on this side, I'm now approaching the main square again of the tiny little town of Hallstatt. It's definitely a phenomenally beautiful little town. Look at it. This is the main square. Came down from this direction. And now I'm gonna head over here. I haven't been in this section of town yet. As you can see, there's lots of hotels, rooms and breakfasts, or small bed and breakfasts. This is a popular local restaurant, obviously. And let's see what we're gonna find here now. Lots of ceramics here in this town. Ceramic art. Let me show you some of the stuff that they make here. There's definitely lots of art going on here. I love the snail art. Very nice. What do we have here? Oh, here we actually have the local administrative offices for the town, so-called Gemeindeamt. And a little, oh, this is actually drinking water. Look at that. And I'm just going to head down to the water once again now. And so I can give you a view of the real, see, this means doctor, medical doctor. So I can give you a little view of the waterfront of this village. You can rent boats here. That's what this word means. You'll probably recall the German film Das Boot. That's what that means. This is one of the bed and breakfasts. Oh, there's a little fortress or a castle or something up there. You have a peek through here now and see what kind of boat you can rent here. Older gentleman. Laundry. Let's be quiet here. He doesn't hear us. He seems to be washing stuff by hand still. Yep. Definitely washing by hand. What a beautiful spot. Magnolias are blooming. Ah, like paradise on a day like this. That's Hallstatt for you. And here's another sightseeing boat.